Today we're making a spicy squid salad. First, you want to wash all your vegetables and thinly slice a small green chili. It could be a small red chili. It should be a small chili. Next, get the lemongrass ready. Chop off the top, chop off the bottom. And thinly slice the rest. Next, dice a tomato. You can do this however you please, as long as they're diced. Get 1 or 2 kaffir lime leaves, roll them, and slice them like so. Now clean a squid, or 2 squids, or 3 squids, depending on how many you want to use. For the tentacles, I like to remove everything on the inside and completely remove the eyes. I've also peeled off the purple part of the skin because I don't really like that, but not everybody does. It depends, it's up to you really. And then you can slice it up however you please. Just make sure they're not too thick. Bring a pot of water to a boil and just dip the squid in for just a few seconds. Make sure it's not too long, otherwise it'll become too rubbery and you can't chew on it. Clean your pot, add some cooking oil, and saute garlic and chili. Sizzle, sizzle. Add chopped tomatoes. Give it a little bit of a stir. Add lemongrass. Stir, stir, stir again. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add kaffir lime leaves. Add a little bit of sugar, fish sauce. Stir, stir, stir again. And pour your mixture over the squid. Ta-da! You are ready to serve. As always, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.